Here's why sustainable labels could revolutionize your brand. Ready to make a change? With businesses and consumers prioritizing eco-friendly choices, the packaging industry must step up to reduce its environmental footprint. Traditional labeling often means non-recyclable materials, excess waste, and high carbon emissions. At Holosafe, we're redefining the future of labeling with solutions that are both innovative and sustainable. We use biodegradable and recyclable materials like PLA and plant-based alternatives. Our advanced production technologies cut down on waste, ensuring efficiency and eco-friendliness. And with TraceGuard Plus, our track and trace solution, we enhance supply chain transparency and security. Plus, our continuous investment in R&D ensures we meet the highest standards of environmental responsibility. Our sustainable labeling solutions boost brand image, ensure regulatory compliance, and are cost-effective. Plus, TraceGuard Plus adds supply chain efficiency and product authenticity. Together, we can make sustainability a part of every product story. Discover how Holosafe can help your brand embrace sustainable labeling. Reach out to us or visit your website link.